Okay, guys, this is Mark Next again. We have to make some updates of the gold. Since if you will take my on the gold top forecast, my previous months ago, the uploaded with explanation, more uh, clarity of explanation. As I've said, that the main bias is on downtrend for this metal. Okay, guys, but uh, every now and then we have to uh, make some updates so for our main reference. Okay, guys, if we will start with the monthly for this latest update for this metal. Okay, if we will check the monthly momentum of this metal, it's still on uh, downtrend, but it is now on gradual. The momentum is on gradual pace. So we have to be closely monitored since we will consider this level of support, this one here, until this one. We will consider this level of support, guys, for the month, this one. This stick support, considering this imbalance of prices, this one, you have to consider maybe even if it will not reach to 50% of this zone, maybe here, I think I have some still premonition that it will drop until this level, then it will make some correction again. And then if it will make some correction, we will monitor closely the upward correction. If it is already a massive reversal or a long-term reversal, it is still a correction on a long-term bias, which is a downtrend. Because on my other indicators, the chart tells that the indicators tells that it is not yet on the strong level of or a point of interest we're in. There is a massive, major reversal for the upward movements of this metal to reach back to the highest level here on this price of 2000 something, considering this one. But I think it is not yet the time. Maybe it will drop here on this level and then make some correction. So if we will check on the weekly, we will down to weekly top down analysis so that we can make some accuracy for this level of resistance here. This is the resistance because these are these patterns of resistance, and this is the uh, liquidity. Here is the liquidity for this weekly time frame here. Okay, so this one will be considered as the resistance, and even here, these are all resistance that need to be broken by the upward movement or correction of this metal. So we will consider all these are this strong layer of resistance here. It's very thick. So this all resistance must have to be broken before we will consider that there is a major reversal. Okay, back to the monthly. So here are these projected lines. We will consider these lines that I make level. Okay, considering Mac next, what will happen next? I am so I have some potential premonition that this will be visit this support here 1590 until this level. But we have to be watchful that if this zone 50% or more percent will be broken by will be pierced by this downturn prices, considering the downtrend will continue until this level here 1366.26 in the future. But for me, back to the weekly here and the daily. Okay, guys, on the daily, consider this daily is your here, this box here. If we will draw a box here, these are the imbalance of prices, and these wicks in the downside and the upside. These are all uh, liquidity grab. Okay, so in the daily for 1 2 3 4 5 6 in the 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 or 6 days in consolidation before this strong downtrend here, dropping the price on the daily time frame. And if we will check the 4 hours here, we can still for more detail in the 4 hours here. So during this one 4 hours, okay, this is a sign of bearish engulfing. Then after the 4 hours, when it is a bearish engulfing, again in 4 hours starting to consolidate. So you will consider this level here. These are the very strong level of support that need to be broken by the upward correction of prices. Okay, so since it is still on a downtrend mode, as I've said, but be cautious that in the monthly here, or if you've been in the weekly, consider, as I've said, consider this level of support here. Consider this level of support here. What is that level? Okay, consider this one 1590, or even this 1535, because there is some upward correction. Then you can once it will bounce back, you can still trade on that. But for me, I am keep on monitoring because still not yet on the that is not the dip. It will continue to drop. It still continue because if you want to take, if you want to invest this for the long term, I think we have to wait that the price will hit on the very strong level of support, or the POI, point of interest, wherein we can consider that the once it will reverse, the prices will massively move upward back to this level for investing. But if you want to trade for the daily, in the short term time frame, you can manage to trade the back and forth of rise and fall of prices. But you have to consider the long term bias is not yet over the downtrend or the bearishness of this metal. Okay, guys, I hope these short video clips will serve as your additional reference for this metal, because I do believe for the other gurus or other analysts that the market is now manipulation, or the market now is on trying, they are now trying to reset the market. So as part of reset, this must be liquidated first. Those unfilled unfilled imbalance of prices on the higher time frame, if you will check the meticulously the market structure, then you can concur with my analysis that there are lots of unfilled orders below this higher time frame. So it needs to be picked up in order that we can consider that the market is now about to reverse. Okay, guys, I hope that you will continue to support Mactic channel. Let this channel as part of your reference, and then in addition for your own research for this metal, or even in our Bitcoin, we will make again, because Bitcoin and metal, they have same, almost similar behavior against US dollar. Okay, thank you very much, and God bless.